योगा ही प्राचीन भारताची जगाक देण. 2015 सावन 21 जून हो दीस जागतीक योगा दीस म्हणून मनयतात. आंतरराष्ट्रीय पातळीचेर योगाचो प्रचार आणि प्रसार करपाक भारताचे माननीय प्रधानमंत्री श्री नरेंद्र मोदी हाणें मोठो फुडाकार घेतला आणि ह्या वावरांत मोठो यशूय तांकां मेळ्ळा. आयच्या ह्या दिसा प्रुडंटाच्या खाशिल्ल्या कार्यावळींतल्यान पळयत माननीय प्रधानमंत्री श्री नरेंद्र मोदी आणि माननीय मुखेलमंत्री डॉक्टर प्रमोद सावंत यांचे योगाचे संबोधन. तसेच गोयचे योगा शिक्षक आणि योगा प्रेमी कडल्यान आयकुयात आयच्या दिसाचे आणि योगाचे महत्व.
So yoga is very helpful. When I say yoga, it's about different asanas, breathing technique, meditation, and yes, along with that, we need to work on the stress level. We need to work on a diet, a healthy and a balanced diet. Always work. I have been teaching for the last 5 years. So earlier I was teaching in Bombay. Now since I've moved to Goa, I have been teaching for almost 2 years now. I take all the traditional teaching. उनको मैं practically कैसे use करना है, I tell them that. So once you give them that idea ना कि चलो हम ये technique use कर सकते हैं, but let us use it in a modern time or a modern way. जैसे आप वो सिखा दो ना, एक बार वो आइडिया क्लिक हो जाता है, देन इवन जो आज के यूथ के बारे में जो हम बात कर रहे हैं, जिनको हर चीज फास्ट चाहिए होता है, योगा इज अ स्लो प्रोसेस बट इट्स अ लॉन्ग टर्म प्रोसेस. वो आपको लॉन्ग रन तक हेल्प करेगा, दैट इज फॉर श्योर. जरूरी नहीं है एक आसन आप सभी को दे दो और सब पे वर्क हो जाता है, वो इट नेवर वर्क्स लाइक दैट. So if you come to me, if you say, okay, I have certain issues, I'll have to work according to the issues and you will have to deal accordingly. So it's very important to know what are your limitations. Not necessary कि मैंने एक कोर्स कर लिया तो you will have to do the same thing. Not आप अपने हिसाब से करोगे, right? आपकी बॉडी जितनी अलाउ करती है आप उतना ही करोगे और उतना ही करना है, because that is what your body needs at that particular time. The first thing about yoga is when people talk about yoga, पहले the first thought that comes to the mind is any asan or somebody sitting in a lotus position with their eyes closed. It's not about that. Yoga is about awareness. So now if you know that if I'm going to work on the laptop this way, you are going to feel the pain on the shoulders, right? So similarly, yoga helps you with awareness. एक बार वो awareness आ जाता है, automatically everything falls into place. Now again, when people talk about there are people working from home, there are kids who are constantly on the laptops or their devices, maybe attending some classes. For all you know, they're doing something good, but then yes, it is going to affect their shoulders, their neck. Usme then again, they'll have to keep doing certain stretches because our muscles tend to get tight, you know. तो एक ही position में बैठ के वो tight हो जाता है. So we need to work on stretching those muscles. We do it one day and then we say, "Arey, nothing is happening." It doesn't work that way. You need to practice this every day. Only then can you see the result. It's like we eat, breathe, sleep, drink every day. We need to start taking yoga like that. It shouldn't be like कि हमने एक घंटे का practice कर लिया and now we are good to go. We need to make it a part of our life. It has to be the lifestyle. Only then it is going to work on you and you will see the result. It's not going to take very long, but then you will see the result in a very short span of time. Any habit or anything that you practice, it takes time. तो स्टार्टिंग में हर चीज डिफिकल्ट लगता है, बट देन इवेंचुअली व्हेन यू प्रैक्टिस एवरी डे वो डिफिकल्ट चीजें भी इजी हो जाती है, राइट? सो वी नीड टू वर्क ऑन डूइंग समथिंग ऑन अ डेली बेसिस. सो आई थिंक एवरीथिंग बिकम्स इजी आफ्टर अ पॉइंट. So when people talk about mental situation or mental health, yoga has really helped me and it's even helping me today because we all know the situation is really bad. We are struggling with everything. So yoga has definitely helped me on a physical level. Yes, I can vouch for it. Mental level, definitely again I can vouch for it.